Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log in into your Amazon Prime student account. This is a great way to access exclusive student discounts and all the benefits of Prime at a reduced rate. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Amazon Prime Student. This will bring up the official Amazon page dedicated to student memberships. From the search results, click on Amazon Prime Student to navigate to the main page. This is where you'll begin the login and verification process. Once you're on the Amazon Prime student page, click Join Prime for Young Adults. This button will direct you to the sign-in screen where you can access your account or create a new one if you haven't already registered. It's the gateway to all the student-specific features Amazon offers. Next, you'll be prompted to enter either your mobile number or email address. Type in the credentials associated with your Amazon account, then click Continue. This step ensures that Amazon can identify your account and link it to your student membership. After that, you'll need to enter your password. Type it in carefully to avoid any login issues, then click Sign In. This will grant you access to your account and prepare you for the student verification process that follows. Now comes the verification step. Click Verify as a student. This is essential because Amazon needs to confirm that you're currently enrolled in an eligible institution before granting you the student discount. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few moments. You'll then be asked to provide some key information. Enter your enrolled university, your expected graduation year, your first and last name, and your date of birth. Make sure all the details are accurate, as Amazon uses this information to verify your student status through their verification partner. This step ensures that only genuine students can access the discounted membership. Once you've filled in your student details, you'll need to select your payment method.